Lecture starts 10:15. If you are not familiar with Zoom, look around in the Zoom window. Check how you can control it. Window controls are typically on the top. They affect only your own screen. The instructor is sharing this window, and the video stream. You can change what you view. Locate the list of participants in the meeting. When you have found it, see at its bottom, there are buttons. Try to click on Yes. It will add a small icon in front of your name. There is also a way to raise your hand to ask a question. Locate the chat window. Write something such as hello in the chat to all. Check that your microphone is currently muted. But when you are moved to a small group for discussions, the mic and video should be open and working so that you can participate. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. Welcome to this Zoom meeting. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development Spring 2021. Introduction, the 12th of January 2021. Yuri Varsaluoma. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 3. Yuri Varsaluoma, PhD, irresponsible teacher, postdoctoral researcher in Human Technology Interaction Research Group at Havanta Campus, IHE. Background in UX research and evaluation studies, long-term UX, digital participation lectures, weekly workshops, grading, Moodle updates. I Kapitula, PhD student, a teaching assistant, studying towards PhD in HEA Research Group at IHE. Master of Science in Cognitive Science, Computer Science, and BA in Culture and Arts. Specializes in cognitive science, usability, user research, user psychology, and digital participation. Advanced skills in quantitative research methods and analytics. Grading, team assignments, weekly workshops. Course personnel. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 4. Register to the course's Moodle page should be automatic when you enroll to the course in Sisu. If you have questions, send email to yuri.varsaluoma@tuni.fi or use Moodle messages. Feel free to chat with us after weekly workshops. Yuri is available in Team Assignment Clinic for every Monday 10 to 12 and 13 to 16, except March 8th week on Wednesday, a UTC +3. Reservation calendar link in Moodle. Course info and communication. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 5. Goals of the course: learning objectives, practical skills for work-life course practicalities, and requirements: introduction to human-centered product development, human-centered design, design thinking, lean UX, other key concepts. Contents of the lecture. TI 04101 Katajako Kimuksan Peristate. Goals of the course. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 7. After completing the course, the student knows how to describe the whole life cycle of product development, the parts of the life cycle, and their meaning in interactive product development, identify suitable human-centered methods for different situations and phases of product development, evaluate analytically the functioning of a cross-functional teams, apply human-centered design in lean product development projects. Plan the usability user experience work in a development project together with the team members, identify and exploit academic, commercial, and other relevant sources of information and inspiration to support human-centered product development. Learning objectives. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 8. Student can contribute to and communicate human-centered aspects in product development organization. Able to function in a multidisciplinary team with an understanding of human-centered aspects of product development and contribute to this work. able to identify and use relevant methods and sources of information to be used in human-centered product development projects. Able to take into account and communicate with various tools means the human-centered aspects in product development aiming to ensure a good end result for various stakeholders. Ability to communicate the usability user experience goals of a project to central stakeholders, own team, other developers, customers, experts, and managers, etc. Practical skills for work life. TIE 04101 Katajako Kimuxan Peristate. Course practicalities. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 9. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 10. Weekly workshops and pre-tasks X6 Team Assignment X1 Product Concept, Diary, Blog Final Video Exam X3 Tries. Course activities. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 11. You can choose from 2 weekly workshop times. Wednesday, December 9th, Thursdays 9 to 12. All course times are finish time UTC plus 6 Zoom sessions in total, starting from the next week. Enroll in SISU. No workshops during 8.2, 14.2, and 1.3. 7.3. Teams work independently. Workshops include pre-tasks, short lecture, and working in team assignment groups. Reserve enough time each week to work on pre-task in order to receive bonus points for the course grading the 6 points in total. It is highly recommended to participate in the weekly exercise workshops together with your whole team. If you cannot, and want the bonus point, you can ask teacher for an alternative task. You can change the workshop to get your team in the same session. Pre-tasks and workshop tasks are often related to your group assignment, and can therefore decrease the need for independent work, so it is recommended that you do them. Workshops. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 14. Detailed requirements for the assignment can be found in Moodle. Design a product concept for 2030 to 2035 market that utilizes future trends in technology, UI, UX, or other fields. Company topics a limited number, course personnel topics or a topic of your choice, e.g. future university student life, work life. During the team assignment, you will 1. Explore and find the challenges or opportunities related to your topic. 2. Ideate for possible solutions. 3. Create concepts, prototype that provide value for target users. 4. Test and evaluate your concepts with target users to confirm your assumptions. Team assignment. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 15. The assignment is done in a team of 4 people. Start looking for a team right away. Use the discussion area to find team members under Team Assignment Instructions in Moodle. If no luck, contact teacher. DL to register teams 18.1. Under Team Assignment Instructions in Moodle. The number of topics from companies is limited. Teams can take part in lottery by answering a survey in Moodle after the teams have registered. DL for the company topic lottery 19.1. You may work on your assignment during the workshops or independently. However, you should follow the weekly workshops content carefully in order to conduct the assignment and write the diary blog. Team assignment. Companied research project topics will be updated. Etaplan more 4 teams, 2 per topic. Topic 1. How to sustain improve community spirit in remote work setting. Topic 2. How to improve well-being of employees in remote work setting. Go forward 2 teams. Topic 1. Open offices with distraction-free work mode and active communication opportunities. Topic 2. using online and multiplayer games to solve real-life problems. Topic 3. Life as a game, making healthy and sustainable everyday acts matter. ALL Youth Research Project, 6 teams. How to support societal participation, civic engagement of youth with technology. Course personnel topics: University student life 2030 to 2035. What are future learning environments like, and what would be needed, physical or online or combinations? How do students communicate with each other on off-campus, related to studies, etc.? How do students and staff communicate with each other? How is foreign language like Finnish learned? How are the university courses run, taught? How do students showcase their learning, skills, and/or accomplishments in uni for companies, etc.? What is student uni life like, and how do technologies change it? How do researchers, teachers, or other employees communicate or work with each other on campus, nationally or internationally, across organization? Work life 2030 to 2035. What is future work life like? What kind of solutions are needed and enabled by future tech, etc.? How do people communicate in work? How do people work? You can think the vision of a workday of an engineer designer in 2030 to 2035. How to improve well-being of employees in remote work setting. How to sustain improve community spirit in remote work setting. Our topic of your choice. Discuss with the course personnel to get your topic accepted. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 16. Team assignment topics so far. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 17. Teams report their project development process on weekly basis in a form of a project diary or a blog. Can also be a video blog. Use any blogging service, e.g. blog post, Tumblr, medium.com, WordPress, or just a shared document in a cloud service. Make sure course personnel are able to access it. All project-related data should be added to your diary blog. Required content for the diary blog posts will be provided together with weekly workshop materials. Keep track of your weekly tasks for each member, as you will need to report each team member's contribution in your diary blog. Start the diary blog as soon as possible and try to update it on weekly basis. After workshops, 6 in total, are over, you will have approximately 1 month to finish the project. During this time, the diary blog should be kept updated to describe your project-related activities. Diary blog. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 18. 3 to 10 minutes video, or 2, where you 1 describe your human-centered design process, and 2 present your final product concept in more detail. Problem that your product will solve, how it will solve it and for whom. Present the product idea and its value for your target users. Show the process of development, methods, results from user studies, proof of facts, quotes to justify your design decisions. Show how and why you designed your product, and how you verified your concept with users. Be frank about the challenges and what has not been validated. For the product concept, you should visualize the main features of your product in detail, and show how user interacts with the product in practice. Show the main user tasks in detail. Since the COVID-19 situation, it is understandable if you cannot show how the product concept would work in real environment, e.g. make a video of using the product in real use context. In this case, you can utilize more storyboards and other innovative ways to illustrate use cases for your product concept in the video. And don't forget the main purpose of the video. Make it clear, pleasant to watch, interesting, and fun. White smiling face. Final videos are uploaded in Moodle. Each student provides feedback for 1 team. Why video? This is one of the design artifacts that are most powerful ways of communicating with the customer, investors, and sometimes with users. You can also use your video as part of your own portfolio when applying for a job. When doing so, remember to tell what was your contribution to the group work honestly. Final video. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 19. Focus group or effective bus stop. https://u2.b/nec-9fy2p1 ihttps://u2.b/nec-9fy2p1 Unispacity. https://u2.b/r31-zoiv1 egttttt://u2.b/r31-zoiv1 egteamjha https://www.youtube.com/watch?v =vqrc 4 yo 4 ampersand feature sign utut tps://www.youtube.com/watch?v vqrc 4 yo 4 ampersand feature sign u2 bipolar anvium https://vimeo.com/vimeo.com/4095155307 https://vimeo.com/vimeo.com/4095155307 Examples of final videos from previous years. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 20. Exam covers topics from lecture pre-tasks and workshops, related slides, reading or other materials available in Moodle. Your group assignment, extra materials, are clearly indicated in Moodle and not included in the exam. There will be 3 Moodle exams. The first exam period will be 13.4, 16.5.2021. Electronic exam. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 22. Approved. 1. The team assignment diary blog. 2. The video on design process and concept created in team assignment. 3. Electronic exam. Each part needs to be accepted, at least half of the points. Requirements for passing the course. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 23. Grading summary. Activity points. Requirements: exam 30p, 15p to pass, a diaried blog 45p plus 5p, teamwork 20p to pass, video 50p, 25p to pass. Optional workshop activity bonus, a pre-task and participation, a 6p. TIE 04101 Katajako Kimuxan Peristate. Product development. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. Product development phases and responsibilities. Modified from Buxton, born in 2007. Sketching user experiences p. 84. Design Phase 0, Engineering Sales Phase 1, Phase 2, R&D Team Phase -125. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. Stepwise description of how to transform an idea to a ready product. Names may vary for stages, and their interrelationships vary. HCE is central in the early stages, but used throughout the iterative development process. Product development process. Concept development, mission and strategy, system design, detail, a design. Testing and refinement. Production ramp-up, product launch. 26. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. 1. Clear requirements and specifications, 61%. 2. Clear objectives and goals, 56%. 3. Realistic schedule, 54%. 4. Effective project management skills, methodologies, a project manager, 54%. 5. Support from top management, 51%. 6. User-client involvement, 47%. Comparative study of success factors based on a literature review of 43 scientific articles, Nazir and Sahibuddin, 2011. Top critical success factors for software projects. 27. TIE 04101 Katajako Kimuxan Peristate. Approach in the course. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 28. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 29. TIE 04101 Katajako Kimuxan Peristate. Human-Centered Design Process. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 30. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 31. Human-Centered Design Process. ISO 9241-210:2019. 2019. Ergonomics of Human System Interaction, Part 210. Human-Centered Design for Interactive Systems. See instructions for access in Moodle. https://www.iso.org/ob/ui/ISO, SDE, ISO, 9241, 210, ed. 2, v1, en. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 32. 1. Design is based on explicit understanding of users, tasks, and environments. 2. Users are actively involved throughout design and development. 3. Design is driven and refined by user-centered evaluation. 4. Process is iterative. 5. Design addresses the whole user experience. 6. Design team includes multidisciplinary skills and perspectives. Principles of human-centered design. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 33. Simplified timeline of the design approaches with user human-centered focus. Participatory design 1970s. User-centered design 1990s. Co-design 2000. Experience design 2000. TIE 04101 Katajako Kimuxan Peristate. Design thinking. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 34. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. Design thinking is a human-centered and collaborative approach to problem solving, using a designed mindset to solve complex problems. Tim Brown, CEO of IDEO. Book, Change by Design: How Design Thinking Transforms Organizations and Inspires Innovation by Tim Brown. 35. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. Design thinking is about accelerating innovation to create better solutions to the challenges facing business and society. It starts with people, what we call human-centered design, and applies the creative tools of design, like storytelling, prototyping, and experimentation to deliver new breakthrough innovations. Tim Brown, CEO of IDEO. Book, Change by Design: How Design Thinking Transforms Organizations and Inspires Innovation by Tim Brown. 36. TIE 04101 Katajako Kimuxan Peristate. Design thinking, the three lenses in the design process. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. Put simply, design thinking is a discipline that uses the designer's sensibility and methods to match people's needs with what is technologically feasible, and what a viable business strategy can convert into customer value and market opportunity. Tim Brown, CEO of IDEO. Book, Change by Design: How Design Thinking Transforms Organizations and Inspires Innovation by Tim Brown. 38. Process starts with the people you are designing for and whom you want to affect with your solution. Small black square their needs, fears, dreams, and behaviors. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. Desirability, human-centeredness. Desirability. Start. 39. What is technically and organizationally feasible? HEI.230 Human-centered product development. Feasibility. Feasibility. 40. What is financially viable? Consider this as late as possible or only after desirability and feasibility. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. Viability. Viability 41. HEI.230 Human-centered product development 42. Solutions at the end of the design process hit the overlap of desirability, feasibility, and viability. Breakthrough innovations. Desirability. Start. Feasibility viability. TIE 04101 Katajako Kimuxan Peristate. Example. HEI.230 Human-centered product development 43. How is desirability of the service addressed? The needs, fears, dreams, and behaviors of people you are designing for. How is feasibility addressed? What is technically and organizationally feasible? Viability. What is financially viable? Drive now. https://u2.b/jz2retekn4 https://u2.b/jz2retekn4 https://u2.b/tanwkx Mr. VE8 https://u2.b/tanwkx Mr. VE8H https://u2.b/tanwkx Mr. VE8 T = 37s. HEI.230 Human-centered product development 44. Discussion. Have creative confidence. Everyone can learn to be creative. Assume a beginner's mindset. Don't judge. Question everything. Be curious. Empathize. Embrace ambiguity. Make prototypes. Learn from failure. Fail often and fast. Iterate. Be optimistic. HEI.230 Human-centered product development 45. Design thinking mindset. https://www.interaction-design.org/literature/article/5- stages in the design thinking process. TIE 04101 Katajako Kimuxan Peristate. Lean UX. HEI.230 Human-centered product development 46. HEI.230 Human-centered product development 47. Based on Agile software development philosophy, Lean UX focuses on measuring and validating. Aim is to obtain feedback as early as possible to make quick decision. Create and deploy products quickly to get real user feedback for future developments. Tight iterations of build, measure, learn. The minimum viable product at MVP tests assumptions will be covered during the course. Company visits, weekly workshops, and team assignment. Read more. https://www.interaction-design.org/literature/article/a-simple introduction to Lean UX. Lean UX. https://www.interaction-design.org/literature/article/a-simple introduction to Lean UX. Outcomes, assumptions, hypotheses. Design it. Create an MVP. Research and learning. www.ie-book.com. Picture adapted from Gothelf and Seiden, 2016, Lean UX, 2nd edition. TIE 04101 Katajako Kimuxen Peristate. Approach in the course, continued. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 48. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. Design in HCPO course. Lecture, pre-tasks, exercises, team assignment. Figure, Liedtke, J. Ogilvy, T. 2011. Designing for Growth. Columbia University Press. Page 21. Exploring current reality makes some choices take to the marketplace. Envisioning a new future, how could we? 49. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. Design in HCPO course, diverging and converging in all phases. Figure, Liedtke, J. Ogilvy, T. 2011. Designing for Growth. Columbia University Press. Page 21. 1. Human-centered methods and needs, problems, challenges. 2. Other sources of information and inspiration. 3. Stakeholders, etc. Exploration, challenge or opportunity. Finding the sweet spot, user customer value and profit. Testing real-life trialing, disconfirming data. 1. Brainstorming. 2. Concept development. 1. Testing assumptions. 2. Rapid prototyping. 1. Co-creating with users customers. 2. Learning launch a rapid testing. 3. Towards adoption, or not. Ideation of creativity and narrowing. 50. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 51. The Double Diamond Model. www.ie-book.com. Image adapted from https://www.designCouncil.org.uk/what-framework-innovation-design-councils-evolved-double-diamond. https://www.designCouncil.org.uk/news-opinion-slash-what-framework-innovation-design-councils-evolved-double-diamond. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 52. Variation, Google Design Sprint Methodology. https://designssprintkit.wigoogle.com/methodology/overview. TIE 04101 Katajako Kimuxen Peristate. Key concepts. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. Product Interactive Product Vuorovaikutainen tuote in Finnish, Product Development Process Usability, Käytettävyys, User Experience, Käyttökokemus, User Consumer Customer. Stakeholder, sidesryhmä. Context of use, käyttökonteksti, user, human-centered design, process, human-centered product development. Life cycle, product, use and product development, elinkaari. Requirement. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. Key concepts. 54. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. A product is any offering that can satisfy a need or want, such as goods, services, experiences, information, and ideas. Kotala, P. 2002. Marketing Management, Millennium Edition. Pearson Custom Publishing. Product. 55. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. Products containing interactive technology, information, communication, automation, and machinery technology. Bringing the user into the development so that all stakeholders will be accounted for. Product. Course focus. 56. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. Interactive product. Human cognitive and physical abilities, needs, tasks, motivation, values. Interaction, user interface. Context of use, physical, social, task, temporal, information, and technology. Product features, functionality, technical properties, IO devices, solutions. UCE equals user-centered design, HCE equals human-centered design. 57. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. Benefit from the used functionality. Positive feelings. Psychological benefit to status, hope, self-esteem, etc. Central to understand in user experience. Removing, preventing problems, safety, comfort. Core benefits of a product. Merrick Kritzler, Martin Bachmann, Anders Tenfort, and Florian Michaels. 2015, Wearable Technology as a Solution for Workplace Safety. In Proceedings of the 14th International Conference on Mobile and Ubiquitous Multimedia, MUM 15. ACM, New York, NY, USA, 213-217. DOI equals http://deeks.doi.org/10114528360412836062. 58. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. Usability, extent to which a system, product, or service can be used by specified users to achieve specified goals with effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfaction in a specified context of use. ISO 9241-210 measures effectiveness, accuracy, and completeness with which users achieve specified goals, sufficiency, resources used in relation to the results achieved, e.g. time, human effort, satisfaction, extent to which the user's physical, cognitive, and emotional responses that result from the use of a system, product, or service meet the user's needs and expectations. Usability, ISO 9241-210. 59 https://www.iso.org/ob/ui/ISO, SDE, ISO, 9241, 210, ed. 2, v1, en. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. Users' perceptions and responses that result from the use and/or anticipated use of a system, product, or service. Users' emotions, beliefs, preferences, perceptions, comfort, behaviors, and accomplishments that occur before, during, and after use. User experience is a consequence of brand image, presentation, functionality, system performance, interactive behavior, and assistive capabilities of the interactive system, product or service, the user's internal and physical state resulting from prior experiences, attitudes, skills, abilities, and personality, and the context of use. User experience at ISO 9241-210. 60. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. User interacts with the product customer buys, typically the target of the marketing, often defines requirements consumer, buyer, and user of a consumer product. User, customer, consumer. Customer rarely represents user in B2B context. 61. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. People who all have a stake in the development of a successful product. Preset al 2002, p. 171. Anyone who is affected by the success or failure of the system. Dixit al 2004, p. 458. Those who affect, are affected, or benefit from the product, inside and outside of an organization. Stakeholder, a Sidesrimmer. 62. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. Stages: introduction, growth, maturity, decline. Kotler, marketing management, p. 304. Product lifecycle. David Jobber, Principles and Practice of Marketing. 2nd edition, 1998. Mike Volker. www.sfu.ca/Mavolker, biz pushpull.hem. www.sfu.ca/Mavolker, biz pushpull.hem. 63. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. 64. 1. A condition or capability needed by a user to solve a problem or achieve an objective. 2. A condition or capability that must be met or possessed by a system or system component to satisfy a contract, specification, or other formally imposed documents. 3. A documented representation of a condition or capability, as in 1 or 2. Requirement. IEEE 2011 Standard Glossary of Terms Used in Requirements Engineering. Version 1.0. Requirements Engineering Qualification Board. HEI.230 Human-centered product development. 65. Start looking for a team right away. Use the discussion area to find team members under Team Assignment Instructions in Moodle. Register your team. DL 18.1. Discuss your team's topic and take part in the company topic lottery. DL 19.1. Opens at the end of the week. Submit the pre-task 1 in Moodle before the first workshop. Next steps.